Hello, dear friends. Welcome to Elderly Health Guide Years. If you like our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and help our channel continue to grow. Thank you very much for watching. Top 8 vitamins to lower cholesterol. Are you ready to learn the secrets to lower your cholesterol levels naturally? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into the world of vitamins and minerals that can help you achieve just that. High cholesterol levels can be a real health concern. But did you know that there are certain vitamins that can be your secret weapon in the battle against cholesterol? That's right. These powerhouse nutrients can work wonders in keeping your cholesterol levels in check, and we've narrowed it down to the top 8 vitamins and minerals that you need to know about. Understanding the basics and the dangers of high cholesterol. Cholesterol is a waxy, fat-like substance that is naturally produced by the liver and is also found in certain foods. It is an essential component of cell membranes and plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including the production of hormones, vitamin D, and bile acids that aid in digestion. However, despite its importance, cholesterol has a dark side when it comes to heart health. When cholesterol levels exceed the normal range, it can lead to a condition known as high cholesterol or hypercholesterolemia. High cholesterol is a significant risk factor for the development of cardiovascular diseases such as heart attack and stroke, which are leading causes of death globally. Understanding why cholesterol levels increase and the dangers associated with high cholesterol is essential for maintaining heart health. Factors that contribute to high cholesterol. There are several factors that can contribute to high cholesterol levels. Firstly, diet plays a significant role. Consuming foods that are high in saturated and trans fats, such as fatty meats, full-fat dairy products, processed foods, and baked goods, can raise LDL, low-density lipoprotein, cholesterol levels, commonly known as bad cholesterol. LDL cholesterol tends to accumulate in the walls of arteries, forming plaques that can narrow and harden the arteries, a condition called atherosclerosis. Secondly, a sedentary lifestyle and lack of physical activity can lead to high cholesterol levels. Regular exercise helps increase HDL, high-density lipoprotein, cholesterol levels, known as good cholesterol, which helps remove LDL cholesterol from the bloodstream, reducing the risk of plaque formation. Genetics also play a role in cholesterol levels. Some people inherit genes that cause their bodies to produce too much LDL cholesterol or not enough HDL cholesterol, resulting in high cholesterol levels even with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Other risk factors for high cholesterol include obesity, smoking, age. Cholesterol levels tend to rise with age, and certain medical conditions such as diabetes, liver or kidney disease, and an underactive thyroid, hypothyroidism. The dangers of high cholesterol. The dangers of high cholesterol are significant and can have serious consequences for overall health. As LDL cholesterol accumulates in the arteries, it can gradually narrow and harden them, reducing blood flow to vital organs such as the heart and brain. This can increase the risk of heart attack and stroke, as well as other cardiovascular diseases. High cholesterol is often referred to as a silent killer because it usually does not cause noticeable symptoms. Many people may not be aware that their cholesterol levels are high until they experience a heart attack or stroke. Therefore, it is crucial to get regular cholesterol screenings as part of routine health checkups, especially if you have risk factors for high cholesterol. Fortunately, high cholesterol can be managed and controlled through lifestyle changes and medications. A heart-healthy diet that is low in saturated and trans fats can help lower LDL cholesterol levels. Regular physical activity, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming, can also increase HDL cholesterol levels and improve heart health. So, grab a pen and paper, because you're going to want to take notes on these cholesterol-busting vitamins. Without further delay, let's dive into our top 8 list and discover how these vitamins and minerals can help you achieve optimal heart health. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. 1. Niacin, also known as vitamin B3. Is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in supporting the overall health and well-being of the body. Niacin is an essential nutrient, which means it cannot be produced by the body and must be obtained through diet or supplements. Niacin is involved in various physiological processes in the body, including energy production, DNA repair, and cell signaling. In addition to these important functions, Niacin has been found to have significant health benefits, particularly in relation to cholesterol management. One of the primary health benefits of niacin is its ability to help lower cholesterol levels. Niacin has been shown to effectively reduce low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol, which is known to increase the risk of heart disease. Niacin works by inhibiting the production of LDL cholesterol in the liver, which in turn reduces the levels of LDL cholesterol circulating in the bloodstream. Additionally, niacin has been found to increase high-density lipoprotein, HDL, cholesterol, which helps remove LDL cholesterol from the bloodstream, further supporting cardiovascular health. Niacin has also been shown to have other beneficial effects on cardiovascular health. It has been found to reduce triglyceride levels, which are a type of fat found in the blood. High triglyceride levels are associated with an increased risk of heart disease. Niacin has been shown to lower triglyceride levels by inhibiting the release of fatty acids from adipose tissue and decreasing the liver's production of triglycerides. Furthermore, niacin has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the arteries and blood vessels, contributing to improved cardiovascular health. Niacin also supports healthy blood flow by improving the function of the endothelial cells that line the blood vessels, promoting vasodilation and reducing the risk of blood clots. Niacin has been shown to support brain function by promoting the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that transmit signals in the brain. Niacin also supports healthy skin by promoting the production of ceramides, which are essential for maintaining the skin barrier and preventing moisture loss. Niacin can be obtained from a variety of food sources. Excellent food sources of niacin include meat such as beef, pork, and poultry, fish such as tuna and salmon, eggs, dairy products such as milk and cheese, legumes such as peanuts and lentils, whole grains such as brown rice and quinoa, and fortified cereals. Plant-based sources of niacin typically contain low amounts of bioavailable niacin, as they often contain niacin in the form of niacinamide, which is less readily absorbed by the body. However, niacin can also be obtained through supplements. If you're finding this information helpful, please take a moment to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest health and nutrition videos. 2. Omega-3 fatty. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids and their role in lowering cholesterol. 4. Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of polyunsaturated fat that are crucial for maintaining optimal health. These essential fatty acids play a vital role in various physiological functions and have been linked to numerous health benefits, including lower cholesterol levels. In this section, we will explore what omega-3 fatty acids are, their health benefits, and how they can help lower cholesterol. We will also discuss some common food sources of omega-3 fatty acids that can be easily incorporated into your diet. 5. Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of polyunsaturated fat that are known for their unique structure and numerous health benefits. There are 3 main types of omega-3 fatty acids: alpha-linolenic acid, ELA, eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. ELA is primarily found in plant-based sources such as flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts, while EPA and DHA are typically found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. 6. One of the well-established health benefits of omega-3 fatty acids is their role in reducing inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation has been linked to various health conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to help reduce inflammation by inhibiting the production of inflammatory molecules in the body, which can ultimately lower the risk of developing these chronic diseases. 7. Omega-3 fatty acids have been extensively studied for their role in cardiovascular health. Several studies have shown that omega-3 fatty acids can help lower cholesterol levels, particularly triglycerides, which are a type of fat found in the blood. High triglyceride levels are associated with an increased risk of heart disease. Omega-3 fatty acids work by reducing the production of triglycerides in the liver, as well as enhancing their clearance from the blood. This can lead to a decrease in total cholesterol levels, including LDL cholesterol, which is a major risk factor for heart disease. 8. Furthermore, omega-3 3 fatty acids have been shown to have a positive impact on other risk factors for heart disease, such as blood pressure and blood clotting. Some studies have suggested that omega-3 fatty acids can help lower blood pressure by improving blood vessel function and reducing arterial stiffness. They can also help prevent the formation of blood clots, which can block blood flow to the heart and result in a heart attack or stroke. 9. Food sources of omega-3 fatty acids. 10. So, what are some food sources of omega-3 fatty acids that you can incorporate into your diet? As mentioned earlier, fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of EPA and DHA. These fish are not only rich in omega-3 fatty acids, but are also packed with other important nutrients like protein, vitamin D, and selenium. Including fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week can help you meet your omega-3 fatty acid needs. 11. If you prefer a plant-based diet. There are also plenty of options for obtaining omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts are excellent sources of ALA, which can be converted to EPA and DHA in the body. Although the conversion rate is not as efficient as obtaining EPA and DHA directly from fish, you can still benefit. You can sprinkle flax seeds or chia seeds on your yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothie. Or simply snack on walnuts for a tasty and healthy way to incorporate omega-3 fatty acids into your diet. 12. Plant sterols and stanols. 13. Plant sterols and stanols are natural compounds found in plants that have been shown to have numerous health benefits, particularly in managing cholesterol levels. Plant sterols and stanols are structurally similar to cholesterol, but they act differently in our body. They work by reducing the absorption of cholesterol from the gut, thereby lowering LDL cholesterol levels in the bloodstream. This makes them a natural and effective way to manage cholesterol levels without the need for medications. Research has shown that consuming plant sterols and stanols as part of a healthy diet can significantly reduce LDL cholesterol levels. The recommended daily intake of plant sterols and stanols is about 2 to 3 grams. And regular consumption at this level has been shown to lower LDL cholesterol levels by 5 to 15%. This reduction in LDL cholesterol can be clinically significant and can help lower the risk of heart disease. One of the primary sources of plant sterols and stanols is plant-based foods. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, legumes, and whole grains are all good sources of these compounds. Some specific examples of plant-based foods that are particularly rich in plant sterols and stanols include almonds, pistachios, sesame seeds, flax seeds, wheat germ, avocados, and fortified margarine or spreads. In addition to their cholesterol-lowering benefits, plant sterols and stanols have been shown to have other health benefits as well. They have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and contribute to overall cardiovascular health. Plant sterols and stanols also have antioxidant properties, which can protect against oxidative stress and contribute to a healthy immune system. Incorporating plant sterols and stanols into your diet can be easy and delicious. For example, you can snack on almonds or pistachios as a healthy and cholesterol-lowering snack. You can add sesame seeds or flax seeds to your salads or smoothies. You can use avocados as a spread on your sandwiches or as a topping for your toast. You can also choose margarine or spreads that are fortified with plant sterols and stanols to easily incorporate them into your daily routine. It's important to note that while plant sterols and stanols can be beneficial in managing cholesterol levels, they should not be considered a standalone treatment for high cholesterol. They work best when incorporated into a heart-healthy diet that is low in saturated fats and trans fats. 4. Coenzyme Q10, commonly known as CoQ10, is a naturally occurring compound that plays a crucial role in producing energy within our cells. It is found in every cell of the body and is particularly abundant in organs with high energy requirements, such as the heart, liver, and kidneys. CoQ10 is also a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from oxidative damage, and it has gained attention for its potential health benefits, including its ability to lower cholesterol levels. One of the significant health benefits of CoQ10 is its role in cardiovascular health. CoQ10 has been found to help lower cholesterol levels by inhibiting the production of LDL cholesterol and promoting the production of HDL cholesterol. CoQ10 works as a natural statin, a type of medication commonly prescribed to lower cholesterol levels. It inhibits the enzyme HMG-CoA reductase, which is involved in the production of cholesterol in the liver, leading to a reduction in LDL cholesterol levels. Additionally, CoQ10 helps to protect LDL cholesterol from oxidative damage, preventing it from becoming oxidized and contributing to the formation of plaques in the arteries. CoQ10 has other potential health benefits. As a powerful antioxidant, it helps neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which are molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and disease. CoQ10 also plays a role in supporting the immune system, and it has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which may benefit conditions such as arthritis and periodontal disease. Some studies have even suggested that CoQ10 has a role in supporting brain health and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. While our bodies can synthesize CoQ10, its production declines with age, and certain health conditions and medications can also affect its levels. Therefore, obtaining CoQ10 from dietary sources or supplements can be beneficial. CoQ10 is found in small amounts in various foods, with the highest concentrations found in organ meats such as liver, heart, and kidney, as well as in fatty fish like salmon and sardines. Means other food sources of CoQ10 include beef, poultry, nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils. However, it's important to note that the amount of CoQ10 obtained from food is typically much lower than what can be obtained through supplementation. 5. Fiber, also known as dietary fiber or roughage, is a type of carbohydrate that cannot be digested by the human body. Instead of being broken down, it passes through the digestive tract largely intact, providing a range of health benefits. Fiber can be classified into two main types: soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance, while insoluble fiber does not dissolve in water and adds bulk to the stool. Health benefits of fiber. 1. Improved digestive health. Fiber helps prevent constipation and promotes regular bowel movements. Insoluble fiber, in particular, adds bulk to the stool, helping to prevent hemorrhoids and diverticular disease. 2. Weight management. High-fiber foods are typically lower in calories and fat, making them an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight. Additionally, fiber helps to increase satiety, meaning it helps you feel full for longer, reducing the tendency to overeat. 3. Blood sugar control. Soluble fiber slows down the absorption of sugar from the digestive tract, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or at risk of developing diabetes. 4. Heart health. One of the most significant health benefits of fiber is its impact on heart health. Soluble fiber has been shown to reduce LDL, low-density lipoprotein, cholesterol levels by binding to it in the digestive tract and promoting its excretion from the body. Soluble fiber works by binding to cholesterol in the digestive tract, preventing its absorption into the bloodstream. As a result, less cholesterol is available to be transported to the arteries, leading to reduced LDL cholesterol levels. Regular consumption of soluble fiber-rich foods has been shown to lower LDL cholesterol levels by as much as 5 to 10%. Underscore 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 underscore. Food sources of fiber. Fiber is found in a variety of plant-based foods. Here are some common food sources of fiber. 1. Whole grains. Whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat are excellent sources of fiber. When choosing grains, opt for whole grains instead of refined grains, as they retain the bran and germ where most of the fiber is found. 2. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are naturally high in fiber. Berries, apples, oranges, broccoli, spinach, and carrots are all good sources of fiber. 3. Legumes. Legumes, including beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber. They can be added to soups, stews, salads, or made into delicious dips like hummus. 4. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are packed with fiber, healthy fats, and other nutrients. They make for a nutritious and satisfying snack or can be added to yogurt or oatmeal for an extra fiber boost. 5. Bran. The outer layer of grains is a concentrated source of fiber. It can be found in products like bran flakes, bran muffins, and bran cereals. 6. Berries. Berries such as raspberries, strawberries, and blueberries are not only delicious but also rich in fiber. They can be eaten on their own, added to smoothies, or used as toppings for yogurt, cereal, or desserts. 7. Avocado. Avocado is a unique fruit that is high in fiber and healthy fats. It can be used in a variety of dishes such as salads, sandwiches, and spreads to add creaminess and a fiber boost. 8. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a nutritious and tasty source of fiber. They can be baked, roasted, or mashed and used in a wide range of dishes from soups to casseroles. 9. Popcorn. Popcorn, when air-popped and not loaded with butter and salt, can be a healthy snack and a good source of fiber. It's a great alternative to processed snacks. Other high-calorie, low-fiber snacks include vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine. It is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in many physiological processes in the human body. It is a member of the B-complex vitamin family, which includes 8 different B vitamins, and is known for its wide-ranging health benefits, including its potential to lower cholesterol levels. We will explore the intricacies of vitamin B6, its health benefits, and how it can help lower cholesterol, along with its food sources. Vitamin B6 is an essential nutrient that the body needs for various functions such as protein metabolism, neurotransmitter synthesis, immune system function, and red blood cell formation. It is involved in over 100 enzymatic reactions in the body, making it a vital nutrient for overall health and well-being. Vitamin B6 has been shown to help lower LDL cholesterol levels by increasing the activity of enzymes that break down cholesterol in the liver, thus reducing its levels in the bloodstream. Moreover, vitamin B6 also helps in the conversion of homocysteine, an amino acid that has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease, into other harmless substances, which further contributes to its cholesterol-lowering effects. Vitamin B6 has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties by reducing inflammation and plaque formation. Vitamin B6 can promote cardiovascular health and help lower the risk of heart disease. Apart from its cholesterol-lowering effects, vitamin B6 also plays a vital role in supporting the immune system. It helps in the production of antibodies, which are proteins that play a key role in the immune response and help the body fight against infections. Vitamin B6 also supports the production of white blood cells, which are responsible for protecting the body against harmful pathogens. Additionally, vitamin B6 is involved in the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and may play a role in reducing the risk of depression. Now, let's explore some of the food sources of vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is found in a variety of foods, both animal and plant-based. Some of the best sources of vitamin B6 include poultry such as chicken and turkey, fish such as salmon and tuna, organ meats such as liver, eggs, dairy products such as milk and cheese, legumes such as lentils and chickpeas, nuts and seeds such as sunflower seeds and pistachios, whole grains such as brown rice and quinoa, bananas, spinach, and potatoes. 7. Selenium is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health and well-being. It is a trace mineral, meaning it is required in small amounts in the body, but it is still vital for various physiological processes. Selenium is found in certain foods and is also available as a dietary supplement. Selenium is a mineral that is naturally present in the soil, water, and some foods. It is an essential nutrient, meaning that it is necessary for the proper functioning of the body. Selenium is an important component of several enzymes known as selenoproteins, which are involved in various physiological processes, including immune function, thyroid hormone metabolism, and DNA synthesis. Health benefits of selenium. 1. Antioxidant activity. Selenium acts as a powerful antioxidant in the body, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals that can damage cells and contribute to chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and aging. Selenium works in conjunction with other antioxidants such as vitamin E to protect cells from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. 2. Cardiovascular health. Studies have found that selenium supplementation helps reduce the risk of heart disease by improving blood vessel function, reducing inflammation, and lowering oxidative stress. Selenium also helps to lower LDL, low-density lipoprotein, cholesterol levels. Thyroid function. Selenium is required for the proper functioning of the thyroid gland, which plays a crucial role in metabolism, energy production, and hormonal regulation. Selenium is necessary for the production of thyroid hormones, and it also helps to regulate the conversion of inactive thyroid hormone T4 to active thyroid hormone T3. This is important for maintaining optimal thyroid function and overall metabolic health. Immune function. Selenium is involved in supporting a healthy immune system. Selenoproteins have been found to play a role in immune cell function, helping to regulate immune responses and protect against infections. Selenium also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body and support immune function. Selenium works synergistically with other nutrients such as vitamin E to further reduce LDL cholesterol levels. Vitamin E is also an antioxidant and has been shown to work in conjunction with selenium to reduce LDL cholesterol oxidation, which is a key step in the development of atherosclerosis. Food sources of selenium. Selenium is found in a variety of foods, with the amount depending on the selenium content of the soil in which the plants are grown or the animals are raised. Good food sources of selenium include 1. Seafood. Fish and shellfish such as tuna, salmon, sardines, and shrimp are excellent sources of selenium. 2. Meat and poultry. Chicken, turkey, beef, and lamb are good sources of selenium, particularly if they are grass-fed or raised on selenium-rich soil. 3. Eggs. Eggs are another good source of selenium, with the selenium content varying depending on the diet of the laying hens. 4. Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are one of the richest natural sources of selenium. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts can provide more than the recommended daily intake of selenium. 5. Whole grains. Whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, and oats can also be good sources of selenium. However, the selenium content in grains can vary depending on the soil quality and processing methods. 6. Dairy products. Milk, cheese, and yogurt can provide small amounts of selenium, particularly if they come from animals raised on selenium-rich soils. 7. Legumes. Legumes, including beans, lentils, and peas, can also be a source of selenium, although the amount can vary depending on the type and processing. 8. Vegetables. Some vegetables, such as broccoli, spinach, and mushrooms, can contain selenium, although the amount may be lower compared to other food sources. It's important to note that the selenium content in food can vary depending on the region and farming practices. In some regions, the soil may be deficient in selenium, leading to lower selenium levels in crops and animals. In such cases, selenium supplementation may be necessary to meet the recommended daily intake. Underscore. Folic acid. Folic acid, also known as folate, is a water-soluble B vitamin that plays a crucial role in various bodily functions. It is essential for DNA synthesis, cell division, and red blood cell production, making it an essential nutrient for overall health. Folic acid is particularly important during pregnancy, as it helps form the neural tube in the developing fetus and can prevent birth defects. One of the significant health benefits of folic acid is its potential to lower cholesterol levels. High cholesterol, specifically elevated levels of low-density lipoprotein, LDL, is a known risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Studies have suggested that folic acid helps reduce LDL cholesterol levels, thereby supporting cardiovascular health. One mechanism by which folic acid may lower cholesterol is through its role in homocysteine metabolism. Homocysteine is an amino acid that, when elevated in the blood, has been associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular disease is homocysteine. Folic acid helps convert homocysteine into methionine, an essential amino acid, which can prevent the buildup of homocysteine and potentially reduce the risk of heart disease. Another way in which folic acid impacts cholesterol levels is by its ability to promote healthy blood vessels. Folic acid supports the production of nitric oxide, a compound that helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. This can help prevent the accumulation of LDL cholesterol in the arterial walls and reduce the risk of plaque formation, which can lead to heart disease. Moreover, folic acid has anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit heart health. Folic acid helps reduce inflammation and supports cardiovascular health. Apart from its potential cholesterol-lowering benefits, folic acid is also essential for other aspects of health. It plays a key role in brain function and mood regulation, and studies have shown that folic acid helps improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Folic acid is also involved in the production of serotonin. Now, let's talk about food sources of folic acid. Folic acid is naturally found in many foods and can also be obtained through supplements and fortified foods. Some of the best food sources of folic acid include leafy green vegetables such as spinach, broccoli, and kale, legumes such as lentils, beans, and peas, citrus fruits, avocado, nuts and seeds, fortified cereals and grains, and liver. And there you have it, the top 8 vitamins and minerals to lower cholesterol naturally. These essential nutrients can help you take control of your heart health and keep your cholesterol levels in check. Remember, a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, and proper vitamin intake is key to maintaining optimal cholesterol levels. So why wait? Start incorporating these powerful vitamins into your daily routine and take charge of your heart health. Feel free to leave a comment and subscribe. Your support really inspires us to keep going. Wishing you all the best. Stay safe and healthy. See you soon.